this video, we'll be showing you how to install the WireCrafters self-closing hydraulic slide door closer. You can pause the video here and make sure that you have everything required. Mark the door roller track and the slide door at the desired through-hole locations. Drill 3/8 inch through holes at the marked locations. It's recommended to drill pilot holes first. Install two 3/8 inch by 1 inch hex head cap screws with 3/8 inch hex nuts. On the slide door track, mark the location of the hydraulic door closer and the middle holes on each end of the hydraulic door closer. Center punch the holes. See Detail C. Drill 5/16 inch diameter holes at the center punch locations to accept the 1/4 inch Phillips screws. Do not drill with the hydraulic door closer in place. Mount the hydraulic door closer to the slide door track using the 1/4 inch Phillips screws, 1/4 inch flat washer, and 1/4 inch lock nut. Install the connector arm in the door roller track. Secure the connector arm to the hydraulic door closer using the provided hardware. To adjust the hydraulic door closer, clockwise adjustments to either L or S reduce speed. Counterclockwise adjustments to either L or S increase speed. A slower speed is recommended to begin with, then increase incrementally so as not to damage other parts of the slide door assembly.